Where am I?
Right here. As you can see, he cannot see.
No, I cannot see at all. I'm gonna set up right now.
All right. Let me know. You feel good in your setup?
Yeah, I'm good.
We're gonna put the ball. We're gonna help him. Set up. The ball is lined up. He's blindfolded. No eye-hand coordination needed.
We got it, right?
Yep, you're good. Fire. And that explains to you why you don't need eye-hand coordination.
I'm gonna do one more in case we're on a different line. I'm gonna get a little bit further out.
Good to go. And he was still able to hit the ball without having to have eye-hand
Bro, I
coordination.
really can't see it right now.
Because he's not using his upper body, he's turning with that center. The club will always come back to the golf ball.
Right, which takes away a lot of guessing. Because most people guess. When you use hand-eye coordination, you guess. All right, guys. See you next time. Energy first, impact later.